Good morning, everybody. It is now, Saturday, February the 6th, and we're just now getting up. It's currently 7:21 a.m. My apologies that I was too lazy to get out of bed and take one last night, but I'm going to give you the first look of what happened overnight. Now, last night, there were 5.5 inches or 5 inches on the deck. And this is the blinds, and this is what we have now. And as you can see, about half of our banister is covered in snow, and that's probably from drifting snow. Our yardstick is completely gone and covered. Looks like there's probably snow pile of maybe 2.5 or 3 feet on the deck with the drifting. There's a big stack of it there too. That's probably a couple feet deep. I think right now we probably have maybe 15 inches of snow, I would guess. And we are forecast to get about another 2 to 3 inches, I think, today. So I think it's pretty well done. The wind's really blowing hard. There's a dumb bird out here. Look at him. Poor guy. Poor guy. Stuck in the storm. So here we are at the Clements household. And here's the puppy. Same look as always. She's probably getting hungry. Probably wants her breakfast. And she's begging. Alright, well, that's your update for now. I'll be back here in a little while with a view from the front yard. And we'll talk to you later.